This is how you can share your location with someone using your iPhone. First, you want to check on some settings. Let's go to the Settings app, scroll down in the main settings area until you get to Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Got to make sure this is turned on. If this is not turned on, you cannot share your location. We have a Share My Location tab here. We'll get to that in a second. First, we want to go down to Messages in this app list here. Tap on that to open it. In here where it says Allow Location Access, mine's set to Never, but you want to have one of these other two options. Ask next time, or when I share, or while using app. The easiest one is to use this if you're doing this a lot. And you can share your precise location as well by checking this toggle here, which is probably what you want to do. If you're sharing a location with a friend or with family, you want to know, or they want to know exactly where you are. So it makes sense to have that on. Let's go back out of here. Let's go up to the top and Share My Location. Let's tap on that. We have Share My Location turned on. My location is this device, and that's great. If you have family sharing enabled and you have family members set on your phone, you'll see them down here. You can easily tap on any of these guys, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Share My Location. This is kind of a contact page right here, like you see in the contacts, but it's actually not, because in the regular contacts page, the Share My Location button is not there. Even if I went to this exact person's contact page in the Contacts app, I'll show you. Let's open the phone. There's the person right there. If I scroll down, there is no option here to share my location. But if I go to the contacts, or what appears to be the contact sheet through the My Location settings page, we do have a Share My Location. So it matters where you access this Contacts tab from. So that's one way to share location, is right through the family sharing down here. The other way is through Messages. That's what we set up by going through those settings. So let's tap on Messages. You gotta start a conversation with someone to share your location. And then to share the location, tap on this little plus icon. Scroll down to the options until you see a location option. Tap on that, and your location is gonna appear right there. You can tap on Share, and you can tap on Request. If you request, that's going to request their location. Share is going to share your location. If you tap on Share, it asks you some things. You want to share it indefinitely until the end of the day or for an hour. Pick the one that's appropriate, and then you've shared your location with this contact on your phone. I hope this video helps. If it does, please like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it before. It's super important that you do it, so check out that video, and I'll see you there.